guys, this is Pam, your favorite paralegal and notary public from Brooks Notary and Litigation Support. 14-year paralegal here, 7-year notary public. I've been commissioned in the state of California and the state of Nevada, currently in the state of Nevada. So I'm doing this video because I received a few messages over the past couple of months from people who were looking to become a notary public and they didn't really know what to do. So I figured since I've been commissioned in 2 states, why not go ahead and do a quick video to kind of give them some tips and pointers on what to do, where to look, how to register for the exam, how to register for classes if need be, and what general requirements are. Hey guys, sorry about that. Just wanted to pop in really quick to apologize for the abrupt ending to my intro. How embarrassing. I'm trying to get it together, I promise. I'm new to this whole editing technology thing, so you're probably going to see a couple more hiccups like this coming down the line because this is not going to be my last video. But stay tuned. Video number 2 is on the way, and it's going to be how to become a notary public in California.